It's a red day in the crypto markets. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you are all doing fantastic. If you're new to the channel, so get yourself into the Discord because we've got crazy announcements later with a coin that could potentially explode. Nobody knows about it yet, but the VIPs, the crypto legends, will hear about that first. So yeah, lots of crazy stuff going on in the crypto markets. A Bitcoin price analysis today. We're going to look at that on this particular video. I also want to show you regarding the Wall Street memes pre-sale that we've looked at quite a bit on this channel. A lot of people didn't think Elon Musk actually did respond to anything. I'm going to show you right now, but we can see, look, Elon Musk literally saying, literally. And when we click here, we can see it takes you straight to a Wall Street memes tweet, and he has physically replied, which puts so much exposure on the Wall Street memes pre-sale, which is also, by the way, linked down below, and you can check that one out in your spare time. And you can see he's actually replying to Wall Street memes, which is the pre-sale we are looking at now. And there's no way in the world that Elon Musk is being paid to respond to a pre-sale. He just wouldn't care. Even if he was paid $1 million, it just would not be worth anything to him. He is literally replying because there is history. Elon Musk has history with the Wall Street memes stuff, and also this funny bit of breaking news. They picked it out and then Elon Musk actually replied to it. So I think that is so cool. That's so bullish in my opinion as well. So do check out the Wall Street memes pre-sale. I've got $3,000 worth down below in the links in the description box, comment section. Do your own research. Remember, it's not financial advice, and check out this extraordinary pre-sale. So let's crack on with some actual news. And what's relevant right now is that the SEC has sued Binance. So CEO Changpeng Zhao, citing US security law violations. And since we've seen this violation, we've seen the price of Bitcoin plummet. But I'm going to show you why not to worry, and why these little bits of sort of funny news, the black swan events that happen in the crypto markets, is nothing to worry about. So firstly, the team is all standing by, ensuring systems are stable, including withdrawals and deposits. They will issue a response once we see the complaint. Haven't seen it yet. Media gets the info before we do. So don't worry, guys. The systems are still going to be stable. And right now, the whole of the crypto industry just want to unite, save the day for this guy, the OG of crypto. I believe is the only guy in crypto that we can truly trust. Of course, you've got Coinbase as well. But, when you look at things like FTX and stuff, it's hard to really pick out who you trust. But I just don't think this guy has got any malicious intent within him or a bad bone in his body. But hey, I don't know who he is, right? Anyhow, Bitcoin, what's going on? We can see Bitcoin is sitting at 25.7k, a $500 billion market capitalization. So the last 7 days, it's been bearish, from highs of 28k. The month as well has been relatively bearish. It's just been a whole downtrend. So June has not been a great start. We're seeing a lot of red candles, a lot of fear in the markets once again. Looking at the crypto fear and greed index, we're sitting at 44. Now, for legacy investors, for people that have been in crypto a long time, you know that fear is your friend and it's going to help you out in the long run. Smart money is buying and accumulating in the dips. Buying when you are fooled by the media, which tricks you into thinking that Bitcoin is a scam and it's going to crash and always go down in price, when really it's the perfect liquid commodity to be, basically hoarding for a lifetime. So you got to think like a smart whale. You got to imagine you're a whale. Pretend you're a millionaire. What would you do with the money? Even though you've maybe just got a couple $100 or $1,000, you got to behave like a relentless whale in these markets. So let's check out what's going on with Bitcoin at this current price level, and then we're also going to look at the Bitcoin, the price against USDT. But right now, this is basically what I'm seeing, and we're going to move into a weekly time frame. Why not to worry? Yes, I've got a lot of squiggly lines going on. Let's just move a couple. Let's take away this Bollinger Bands and the daily lines here. And what we can see is Bitcoin is struggling. So we had the highs over at 69,000 back in, of course, November 2021. Since then, it's been a major downtrend, and we are getting a bit of knockback. There's a resistance here at $29,900. We've gotten that knockback. Now, what's happened is we've lost a crucial level of support, and I was telling people we're going to lose this support trend line. 26.4 is going to get lost. So we lost 26.8 as well. And now look, we're retesting this falling wedge. We're trading in this falling wedge where effectively, if we lose this 25.4k support level, I am looking for a further loss of price, more continuation to the downside. I'm not saying it's going to be a long-term thing, but I'm actually looking to buy in around $22,000. My next buy-in target, DCA target, is down here at this $20,000 level. So another place where I'm putting buy orders for Bitcoin right now, because I do think it's possible we're going to get that rollover, lose this fallen wedge. Alternatively, if the bulls do bite back, you know, we've lost a 20-day moving average now, we'll be looking at retesting the 0.618 at 28.8k. But ideally, this $30,000 is a massive psychological resistance right now. We need to see Bitcoin break through that particular level in order to see any major continuation in the market. So it's pretty nasty what's going on at the moment. Fingers crossed we'll see some better things happen in the next few days. But right now, I mean, what did you expect? We had a massive bull run which lasted quite a while. I mean, let's have a look at the data together. We're going to get a date range. We're going to pull that up right now. The bull run kind of started here. Wow, that's a long time. That's a long uptrend. Technically, that was a 155-day uptrend, really, because we're putting through higher highs, higher lows simultaneously. Now we can also sort of connect these new low that we've got here, and you can actually see, boom, this is effectively another support. We're connecting two supports right there. So this one is invalidated now. It's been lost. If we do bounce here, we still have a channel. We still have a channel that we can play around with. Maybe we could even join these up and speculate that we actually got more downside potential. Around the 7th of July, we could have a month just trading in this wedge pattern. It could actually be that long. It could be that boring. A month of that. Depends what volatility we get in the markets, guys. So really keen to see what's going to happen. I mean, zooming out, guys, just don't worry about it. Yeah, it's a red day. It's a red week, but you just got to stay level-headed. We're still in that buy zone on the Bitcoin rainbow chart, which is good for accumulation. We've still got a lot of time until the next Bitcoin halving, which is going to be around, 2024 April period. And then following them, we usually start to see the inception of a bull market. So fingers crossed that can happen. But yeah, loads of crazy stuff going on. If you are new to the channel, make sure you get yourself into the Discord. We've got all the VIP zones, we've got the free general chats, stuff like that. There's 13,000 people now in the Discord. We've got trading insights, crypto signals, loads of juicy stuff that you can look at. Check out the Patreon as well, 467 Patreons. We've got all the different categories that you can explore, so make sure you make the most of those as well if you're serious about crypto and you want to make your skills more powerful, prominent, enhance, and grow in the crypto world. Check out the Discord down below. We are one of the biggest Discords out there. You might not believe it because I've just got like 18,000 subscribers, but we don't fake this stuff. We are not faking numbers. We don't fake subscribers like many of the influencers out there. And you know who you are, and you probably know who they are too. If you don't, then that sucks because you're being fooled by a fake community. And yeah, I think this is crazy. Wall Street memes, check that pre-sale out. Links down below. Not financial advice. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose. But it's pretty cool that Elon Musk did engage multiple times with that particular entity and the pre-sale itself. So thanks for watching. See you soon and take care, guys.